It's whistle time.
Woo! It's fucking chilly. It was like really cold this morning though, like unusually cold for this time of year. How y'all doing? How's your mama and them? Happy Halloween. I'm a lightning bug. Oh, I'm so glad it's not raining. Such a good day. I'm tired though. I did not get anywhere near enough sleep. I got a couple stops to make. But then I'm going home. I'm not the type bitch to go partying anymore. I am, that's what I'm hunting for. Too old for that. I don't even drink anymore, dude. Oh, that would have been interesting to see. See if the Nissan Rogue gets sneak attack damage on a T-bone. That's fucked up. And my partner picked up some candy, and we're gonna hand it out to the one kid. And nobody goes trick-or-treating anymore. And I mean, I get it. Look at this fucking place. Would you want to walk here? This has sidewalk. Singular. But like, nah. I wouldn't want to fuck with any of this. It's even worse in the little town where I live. You gotta walk in the dirt. Or in the middle of the road. It is problematic. Whoop, missed a shift. It's okay. There's my hole. It was made for me. I hope I got some Junji Ito fans in my little audience. Like the 20 of you that watch my videos, you're already awesome, but like, if you fuck with Junji Ito, you would like, you would go from awesome to like God tier pretty quickly. What the fuck? Like, it's moving just fine up there. I think people are just afraid of these walls that are coming up. See how they all break when they head in through here? It's very interesting to me. Don't know what that was, but I dodged it. So that's cool. That's probably what was causing that. That was probably it. I recorded one of these like 2 days ago and like no audio happened. And then I tested it and like the audio was fine. I don't know. I think maybe it was like, ah, no, rain, why? Not me over here just lugging the shit out of the bike in 6th gear. Okay, nobody's coming through the roundabout. Squatted trucks look so fucking stupid. Like, look at that. Looks like a dog rubbing its ass on the carpet. I don't understand. I am deeply focused. Parking lots are the natural enemy of the motorcycle. Behold the wild motorcycle. A Kawasaki Eliminator. I don't do a good Richard Attenborough. Stalking its prey. A red Kia Soul. I'm going in there.
2 seconds later.
The brothers have shown up. Honey Baked Ham Company. What was there? It's not like I can eat it. I've got alpha-gal, but like, what was there before? Wasn't it like a pho place? I'll never understand why car drivers come to a complete fucking stop when they go over these. Make it make sense. Yeah, no, but I think I'm gonna call this one here. I'm gonna leave the rest of this between me and the insurance company. Y'all have a good one. Bye!